more air, the bigger it becomes. And it's just louder. Doesn't volume increase the depth if you stay in one spot?
Yeah. So
Because you can't stay light and increase volume, can you? Actually, I guess you could.
yeah, you can. You can increase the intensity without. Yeah.
Okay.
Because with volume you're increasing the breath pressure, but yeah, if you're thinking. Because you can try to maintain the same balance of resonance with different levels of intensity.